How to know if someone saved your number in WhatsApp? First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp on your phone. If you have already done so, then open your WhatsApp. And in this screen, you can see there is three vertical lines on the top right side. And when you tap on it, you can just tap on New Broadcast option. After clicking on this, you will see the contact you have saved on your phone. And now, when you search for the person and add them in a group, and add them here and text something, then only the people who have saved your number will be able to read this message. So how do you know if they have read this message or not? To see this, what you can do is just tap on this text and click on the three dot vertical dot which is on the top right side, and when you tap on it, you can click on the info. And yes, we can see that a person has just seen our message. So if the person has not saved your contact in their phone, then they cannot see your text. So this is how you do it. I hope you like our video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel.